have to wait. I'm bored.
Shouldn't be too much longer.
Can we just go home?
No, of course not.
Can I go on your phone?
Okay, but just till the doctor gets here, then you've got to get off.
No, of course he's to get here now.
What do we have here? Miss Nancy West, I see?
Yes.
Yeah, she was climbing a tree and fell while we were camping.
And who are you?
Lee, I'm her sister.
Okay, Lee, so are your parents nearby?
They're out of town for the weekend.
You can head out to the waiting room, fill in these forms, and we will get started on sorting this layout.
Lee, did you stay here?
Miss Nancy, you will be in good hands with me.
Okay.
It's okay, Nance. It won't be too long.
Yeah.
Miss Nancy, looks like we will have to fix this in surgery, but don't worry, you won't feel a thing.
How long is it going to take?
It won't take long. You just sit back and relax. Lee West?
How is she?
I'm sorry, Lee. Nancy didn't make it.
What? Oh my god.
My face.